Okay. Today's activity, we have ice cream and the holiday Sunday kit. And guess who we have?
The Robinson boys.
In the kit, we have what's inside?
We got
quick hardening chocolate sauce, crushed candy cane,
TT, what the
holiday chocolate gems, and holiday sprinkles. And we got bowls. Okay?
no regrets.
Okay?
No regrets.
So I'm going to start with...
Crazy, Casey.
I'm going to...
Eat it. Can I hit the dab?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. And listen, when you put the chocolate on, it gets hard, y'all.
Yep. Take away the handshake. We'll never do it again.
Ooh.
Never.
Oh. You better be nice. Woo. Look at this.
Why did you touch the ice cream with your bare hand?
Y'all, don't mind these titties, okay? I just finished my workout. It was intense, but it was so good. Ooh. My hair is so sweated out, but boom, I came back to the loft. What, Jamar? Play hard, train hard. It was intense. Oh, look at my hair, Lord. That's all right. It's gonna snap back. We're gonna snap back. But it was good. Good start to Wednesday morning. We back. Hope y'all have a great day. Let's get it.
Not this one.
Good morning. What's up, my sunshines? Y'all, so I am back at the loft. It's 5 well, almost 5 a.m. Getting ready to train for the day. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a update on how everything's been going. And I will check back in shortly. It's cold. What's up, guys? So, getting gas at 6 o'clock in the morning because I already went to the gym on E, okay? Literally. But I'm getting gas real quick, and then I'm going to spread the health and grab me some juices and a smoothie. This is a cafe of Effect Fitness, and I've been needing to detox my body, so I'm headed over there. I'll take you guys along with me. Stay tuned. I cannot believe that we are 365 days in. 2024 is right around the corner, and let's take this time to talk about what I'm leaving in 2023. So for me, the first thing is going to be my mindset on scarcity and lack. I want to rid myself and release myself from these feelings of lack, scarcity, abundance, especially around money, finances, and the management of it. The next thing is going to be self-doubt. I want to continue to build my confidence within myself, especially with my decision making. I want to release unworthy thoughts and feelings, release any doubt in my voice when I use my voice and my gifts. I want to also leave behind emotional unintelligence. I want to continue to learn how to control myself, to control my emotions. I want to release not being in control of them and letting them fester and not release them. I want to continue to look at these emotions as the temporary things that they are and allow them to pass, learning more how to observe myself when I feel these emotions, because they are only indicators. Another thing I want to release is defensiveness and fighting. I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired of being defensive, but that's been my protection for so long. So I want to release the spirit of defense, especially with someone that I am in close proximities with. I want to, especially when they see me, they hear me, and they see the real, authentic me, I want to make sure that I am not becoming defensive when they discuss things with me that might be hard and challenging for them, okay? I want to not argue, and I want to learn how to communicate in a different way and continue to practice that. And I want to release this fear that everyone is not out to get me. They're not here to hurt me or tear me down. Releasing that victim mentality that's kind of been passed upon me through like family, generational things. And last but not least, y'all, one of the big things that I want to leave in 2023 is this idea of perfectionism that literally I have, whether it's consciously or subconsciously, it's been on me. So I want to release this idea of me being perfect. I am not a perfect being, and I typically have thought that I needed to get it all right, and I don't. So I want to humanize myself more and give myself grace, because I do that for so many others. So it's time to see me as the human being that I am, the imperfect, flawed ass human that I am, and give myself more grace in that area. So releasing that mindset of scarcity, releasing self-doubt, releasing emotional unintelligence, releasing defensiveness and fighting all the time, and also releasing perfectionism. So those are my things. I would love to know in the comments, what are you guys looking to release in 2023, and what are you taking into 2024? Happy New Year, y'all. Trying on things. It's a big sale going on this morning right now. Morning. Good morning, my sunshines. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we have a few things that we are doing, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I was not feeling good last night. Like, my throat started bothering me. Something came over me, but I rested. I've been juicing. Took me a little something, and I do feel a lot better, so praise God for that. But we are headed out. It's Saturday, one day before the new year. That's crazy, right? But headed out to go meet with my friend and spend some time with her and her family, and I'll show y'all what's going down when I show y'all. So my jeans, I got these from Zara. My little boots, these are from Forever 21. Nirvana shirt, thrifted, and this turtleneck, I got this years ago. Don't know where it's from, but I love the layering of it. Curled my hair, did a little stunting, and you know, we out. I'm gonna grab my coat, my bag, and take my computer and stuff, because I'm going to be spending some time at my friend's house with her and her family, and I cannot wait. So I hope you guys are having a good day today, and I will see y'all when I see y'all.
So she was like, if her mom says yes.
All right, y'all, so guess who just came to see me? Hey, Lourdes. We're chilling out at her house. I'll show you guys. We'll talk to her a little bit later. But me and Quisha about to go get some food and catch up. And then we're going to hang with the girls today, okay? Look who's back.
Hi. I'm gonna behave today because I showed out real bad on the other footage.
But y'all didn't even see the half of it. Didn't even say
I'm
it
gonna
on here.
behave today.
All right.
I'm a
Wait
lady.
till we get a drink. We'll check in later. Yeah. Yeah.
I knew that. Just did
Overachieving, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, black woman.
It was just more so good. This is us after how many? Judge y'all mama, not us.
Not a.
Yeah. Let me tell y'all remember this face. Because, first of all, it's already everywhere. But it's going to be, this is my baby's season. I am giving her flowers now. And I will give them then. But I'm just saying.
Period.
Remember this face because, honey, she's going places. Okay?
Oh,
So,
my friend.
I love you. I'm
I
so
love you
proud
too.
of you.
Thanks, queen.
You gonna make me sweat? I ain't even got no hair to slang, but
This after the teenies.
this is after 3 martinis. Okay?
Yes, Quisha. She
It's
telling the girl to fill her up.
Fill me up, baby. Fill me up. Overflow me.
Just like God. Come on.
Yes. Overflow my blessings.
Come on.
And martinis. I'm here for the overflow of the blessings and martinis.
Come on. Come on. Morning, beautiful people. So I am headed to church. This is doing a quick little fit check. I wanted to feel really good and a little sparkly, so I put on me my little sequin pant, my oversized button-down blouse. I got my vintage Louis, my little trench coat, put on some Bliss-ish, my Glover frames, some little mules, and we're headed out. I will see you guys when I pull up to church, okay? Happy Sunday. Y'all, I just left Change Church and it was everything that I needed going into 2024, even though my new year literally is it's springtime, but that message was amazing. The message was you got
use the left lane to turn left on Duluth Highway.
Because sister want to talk over me. The message was,
in half a mile, turn right to I-85 South, Atlanta.
The message was you got the green light. The message was so on time. There have been some things that have taken place. There have been some shifts. There have been some questions on some things that are coming up in life.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to turn right.
And that was the confirmation needed to push the gas. I'll go into a little bit more depth about what pressing the green lights looks like, how we become distracted through other people's urgencies and things, but also but just know whatever you have been standing on and you've been questioning and it's been placed in your heart to do, like, you have the green light to go push that gas, go for it with all your might, because you're not gonna have that green light long. But when I say on time, I'm telling you, on time. It was a beautiful service. The messaging just served as so many confirmations for my
turn right to I-85 South, Atlanta.
So grateful. But I'm about to concentrate and drive, y'all, because coming back from Gwinnett and going into the city, people be driving crazy. So I don't want to be distracted. I want to be focused, okay? But I'm so grateful for the message.
In 1,000 feet, use...
So I'm home back from church, y'all. Let me just tell y'all, the pants were a hit. But I am tired. I'm just tired. I'm tired. But the message was amazing. I am finishing up cleaning and getting things prepped for the new year. You know how we do, especially as black folks, black women. Clean your house, do your laundry, make sure that you are set in your space. Your intentions are set for the new year. I know mine are. They have been set for the last quarter, to be honest. So I'm just ready and excited to see things manifest. I too am going with the message of I got the green light. It's time to press the gas on many creative projects that have been in the works for some time now. The things that I have been second guessing, it is all about to come together, and the upgrade is about to be real. Though, I'm telling you, mark my words, December 31st, 2023. Oh my God, it's about to be 2024. But also, too, I am also celebrating my official new year during the spring solstice. So that'll be during the spring season officially, but this is still going to be my resting period. My period to also be disciplined, be structured, and make healthy habits and practices so that I can achieve the goals and really celebrate during the spring, because the work is been put in and it's being put in now. So I hope you guys have your intentions set. Take this time to reflect on yourself, reflect on your journey this year, the wins, the losses, but focus on the wins, how you've overcome, and what you're looking forward to in this next chapter. Okay, so just wanted to hop on and say that, and I will check in a little bit later.